At Mother Providencia Catholic School, creativity isn't just encouraged, it's celebrated. Welcome to the Creative Arts Department, where imagination meets inspiration and students are empowered to express who they are and dream beyond the classroom. From visual arts and music to dance, drama and design, our learners explore a vibrant world of colours, movement, sound and storytelling. Here, art is not just an activity, it's a voice, a way for students to build confidence, develop fine motor and communication skills, and discover hidden talents. Our dedicated teachers nurture potential and creativity through hands-on experiences, collaborative projects, and public exhibitions that ignite pride and purpose. Through art, our students learn to observe, to feel, to innovate, and to believe in themselves. The Creative Arts Department at Mother Providencia Catholic School, shaping expressive minds, confident hearts, and creative souls. Enroll your child today and let their creativity shine in an environment that inspires, uplifts, and prepares them for a brilliant future.